Hello, in this short video I'm going to solve the following problem. Show that this function is a solution to the following differential equation. Pause the video at this point and give it a try. Okay, so this is the solution proposed for this differential equation. We want to confirm that it is true. Okay, so we need y prime, so I have to calculate y prime first. But because this is a fraction, I need to use the quotient rule. So the quotient rule tells me that if you want to differentiate a fraction, differentiate the numerator, multiply it by the denominator, minus, take the numerator itself and multiply it by the derivative of the denominator divided by denominator squared. But we know that the derivative of ln of x is just 1 over x. 1 over x times x becomes simply 1. And the derivative of x is 1, so multiplied by minus ln of x becomes simply minus ln of x divided by x squared. This is your derivative. You start from the left-hand side, and then you have x multiplied by y prime. Y prime is this fraction, 1 minus ln of x divided by x squared. Then I have y. What is y? Y is this fraction itself. And now what happens? This x and one of these x's are gone. So 1 minus ln of x over x is left from the first fraction. And this fraction is just ln of x over x. But the denominators are the same, so I write this and I add the numerators. But when I add the numerators, minus ln of x and ln of x are cancelled, I am left with just 1. And that is 1 over x that you have on the right-hand side. Okay, so this is one way of solving the problem. A little bit more creative way to solve this problem is to say that, okay, if this function is given to you, ln of x over x, what you can do, you can multiply both sides by x, so it becomes xy equals to ln of x, and then differentiate both sides with respect to x. So it becomes xy prime is ln of x prime. So what I'm saying is that if this function is given, you can conclude this, and then you can differentiate both sides. The derivative of the right-hand side is of course clear. But the derivative of the left-hand side is the product rule. The product rule tells me that if you want to multiply a product, you differentiate the first one, which becomes 1, x prime is 1, multiplied by the second one, which you will get y, plus the first one multiplied by the derivative of the second one. So this becomes xy prime. And that is exactly what we wanted to show. Compare it with here. xy prime, and y, and on the right hand side it's 1 over x. So this is a faster way of doing the same problem. So I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.